Hi everyone. Today we're going to be planting more bulbs from my container garden. This is going to be Gladiolus mix. And this is going to be another Dahlia, Motto it's called. And this is going to be another Dahlia, Twining Smarty. And I got two more I'll be putting in another 2 pots later on. Now with the Gladiolus, you want full sun to partial shade. Now I'm going to put these the pointy side up. Goes right in and cover that up. Always put the pointy side up. There's another one. And there 8 came in this package. These are going to be pretty. And we got one over here. Let's see, I got all them ones in. Now this is a very big tuber. It's huge. So I'm going to have to dig this a little bit deeper in here. And always put the eye pointed up. There's the eye. This one has a big eye on it. Cover this one up. I'm going to put more dirt in this pot. Add more dirt. I'll probably dig this one deeper. It's hard to do it with one hand. And we got the other Dahlia. Let's dig down here a little bit. And there's the eye with that one. That one in. And I'm going to be adding more dirt to fill the pots up. And give it plenty of water after you put the bulbs in. And I'll be putting these outside to water them. Okay, this is part of my bulb series, planting bulbs for my container garden outside I'm starting. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Bye-bye for now. This is Susie.